Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Wolf-Garten RS650 Power Cut. It's an anvil lopper, 40 millimeters. Ooh, this looks nice. Product dimensions are 69 to 33 to 10 centimeters. The display height is 2.5 centimeters. And the display length is 69 centimeters, of course. The item volume is 1100 milliliters and 1.38 kilograms. A simple rule for choosing the right lopper is bypass for younger branches and anvil for hardier or dead wood. It is especially important to ensure you use the right tool for the job. When cutting greener branches, the bypass lopper allows for more accurate cut without crushing the branch. Be sure that the lopper will be able to make one clean cut. High quality. This you can see. But now let's have a look how the weight is in real life. These are 1221. But there's 1.38 kilograms, 1.28. Wow, it's lighter than the brand is telling us. Nice, because heavy is not so good for you. Okay, back to topic. One clean cut. Otherwise, you can multiple wounds to the branch that can attract insects or disease more quickly. The longer the handles, that more leverage you will have when cutting. This is important thing. Buy a longer arm for better leverage, making it easier to achieve a clean cut. Telescopic loppers are able in the Wolf-Garten range to reach taller bushes. And of course, you can use this product for a long time because there is a warranty of, I think, 10 years on it. And you can see it is all metal, aluminium, and you can replace the parts itself if one of them, the blade for example, or the part of the different side is old or broken, you can replace it really easy. Only untighten the screws, then replace the part, and after this you can work again with the product. So it's better to buy a expensive lopper than a cheaper, because of this quality you can feel it. You will raise up your garden work, and it is safer. Take care of you, don't cut your fingers, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback and think about the lever. Longer lever is a better lever. Okay, this is a long lever. Soon.